Creating art can come from many different ways. Take a look at this video where the space inside of this piece of wood is filled with paint and resin to create something new. Did you ever wondered how car tint was applied? Here you can see a professional doing it with high precision. This method here prints patterns on wet cement to give you the illusion of road pavings in your home. It's also very cheaper. I have never seen metal soldering as cool as this. He's making it seem like sticking two cardboard papers with gum, except it's metal plates and heat. This here is a technique in which artists use the burnt markings in a wood furniture to create patterns and cool designs. If you haven't seen how road crossings and other signs are painted, here's the process. Look at how clean and precise this person is taking off the aloe vera's gel from the skin with no wastes. A son decided to sell his father's unused car, but he had to do some work before putting it in the market. How long do you think this person can spray paint this whole thing by himself? Comment down below and let me know. Well, they are getting that layer of roof coating off in no time. Candy making is a very satisfying and breathtaking process. Just take a look. Exposure to outside environments can lead to the decay of colors of these plastic stadium seats. However, they can be easily repaired by burning off the above layer. Pressure washing has loads of different uses. One is using its high pressure to remove the dirt and dullness of your sidewalks. Now this, I think, should be performed very carefully. A heated iron string is being used to cut fabric with extreme precision. I really can't believe the markings on such toys we used to play as kids was drawn by hand. What you see here is getting ready to perform a technique called hydro dipping. It is a technique for applying designs to 3D objects, and its process involves transferring floating pigments onto an object through water. Well, that's going to be it for today. If you find this video entertaining, then drop a like and do subscribe for more similar content like this.